Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Today, I have got a pretty neat product to show you. This is not something you would consider a tool in the shop, but after they said they contacted me about this, and I was like, I don't know. I don't listen to music that much in the shop when I'm working, but by golly, I think now I'm going to. Because what they have sent me, a company called Tozo, and it's an open ear ring headphone. And I've never seen one designed like this. And to me, the design is brilliant. Now, you're not going to get the absolute closed off sound that you would from the fruit company. I'm just going to put it that way without saying names. But the sound you get out of these is just as clear. But what I love about them, I cannot put those headphones in my ear because they'll heat up. I get ear infections real easy. It's bad. Plus, I'm hard enough hearing anyways that I can't hear people when they talk to me. But these, as you can see, it's just a little ring. And what it does, clips on your ear, right like that. Very easy, very simple. When you pull them out of the case, they turn on, and they hook right up to your phone with Bluetooth. And you've got a little screen on the front here that tells you how much. I'll pull one out and drop it back in so you can see. Still has 97%, and the headphone itself is full. The case does charge just like the other big companies do. But what I love about these is, since they do not go down into your ear canal, your ear can breathe, plus you can hear your surroundings. Now I'm going to, give you the whole spiel of what they want me to talk on. But the one thing or two things that I have noticed is once you wear these things for a little bit, you can't even tell they're there. And they will not come off. I mean, they are in there. I mean, they have to be knocked off your ear. But they are comfortable, very, very comfortable. And you just pop them off, drop them back in your case, boom, ready to go. Now, my wife has used these ever since I've got them. They sent them to me, wanted me to try them for a while. They're releasing them this month. The sound quality is wonderful. When I talk to her, she actually hears me, vice versa. And when you're in a shop or when you're driving, you hear your surroundings. If something falls and somebody says, "Hey, look out," you're going to hear them from across the shop, even through your music. I know that's not what a lot of people want, but by golly, for working and listening to music at the same time, that's worth it. That is well worth it. But we're going to I want to switch scenes here, and we're going to show you what all Tozo, what all they have done with these, and I am thoroughly impressed. All right, I'll give you a little voiceover on this. These are Feather Light, 5.6 grams. As I said, once you wear them, you don't know you have them in. They've got a great power technology. You drop them back in the case, they charge back up. You can keep your case plugged in. My wife wore it for 8 hours, no interruptions. I guarantee you can get 10 hours out of a single charge. And the sound was unbelievable for a $50 pair of headphones. Guys, you got to get them. So in short, Tozo is a great product. I am very glad that they sent these to me. Very happy to use them, and if I can keep these away from my wife, I'll be using them out here in the shop. So be looking for the little black earrings I've got on. But these right here, they really are. The sound is phenomenal. They don't hurt my ears. They don't fall out. And the whole list of things I gave you, it's very, 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 very good Christmas present. Well, thank y'all for joining me on this one. Thank you, Tozo. And we will see y'all next time on Santa's Workshop.